Yo, what's up? Alright, I'm actually gonna turn this down real quick. I just want to say this mod is genuinely amazing. Please tell me in the comments if you know who, the original creator also made the version 2, because I actually do not know that question. But, oh my god, this mod is amazing. My favorite song is by far Scratching Post. This song is amazing. I'm gonna try to FC it, and hope the UI shows up, because I had it hiding for some reason. It's because I was playing another mod, I wanted to hide it. Well, whatever. Alright, here we go. This mod is amazing. Well, I was close one. I felt so bad Amazing, amazing, dude, amazing. It's so good. God, it sounds so good. I wanted to talk a bit during it, but I didn't want to talk too much during it. This is kind of a test for how loud my keyboard is, because I know, the first time I tried it, I had to turn down my mic volume pretty dang low. I personally, at least, it's usually opinions when it comes to the keyboard sound. So, yeah. I personally dislike the keyboard sounds in YouTube videos, so I'm probably gonna keep it low, but hey, I don't know. Well, yeah, yeah, that's really it. See ya.